Hey guys, Gina here. Do I have a fun unboxing today? A mystery unboxing. I have no idea what's inside. The Beistle Company, who generously sent me all of these wonderful die cuts, reached out to the Creepy Co. They are an online store that has all kinds of spectacular items. They have licensed items, they have one-of-a-kind items, they have limited edition items, they have so much fun stuff. But the Beistle Company and the Creepy Co., they did a little, what do you want to call, a little marriage between them two. And they came up with some really fun merchandise, and they were so generous to send me some of it. So I've got a box right here, so let's dive in and see what they sent. Oh my goodness, you guys, I love these mystery unboxings so much because you never know what secrets and treasures are in store. Let's see. Oh my goodness. So this is the box on the inside. As you can see, they sent some fun green and purple Creepy Co. stickers. These are super fun and bright. They sent a fun ballpoint pen. This pen is haunted. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna have to keep this for my yard sales. So I can write them in there. Oh my goodness. A little bubble wrap. All right, so, oh my gosh. I'm so excited. The first thing, it looks like a t-shirt. And it's packaged really nice too. Folded beautifully. Oh my goodness, what is this? Oh, be still my Halloween heart. Oh my goodness, you guys, look at that. That is amazing, you guys. I love this so much. And even up here, look at this. It says, the Creepy Co. presents Beistle. Oh my goodness. How much fun is that? Oh, I love it so much. And it feels soft and durable. Oh my goodness. And it's a lightweight too. It's not super heavy. That's some good quality right there. All right, let's see what else is next. Oh my goodness. It looks like some socks. And look at this box. Oh my gosh. Check out that box. Just the detail. You can see the little silhouette images on there. Inside, spooky sock gift set. You guys, Christmas is coming up. The holidays are coming up. What a great idea for your vintage Halloween lover. Oh my gosh, let's check these out. These are so nice. So we have some devils. Let's see. We should play a little game here. Let's see if we can match the the thing to the die cut. Do I have a devil on here?
Gina?
Ooh, I do not. So that will be something you can look forward to. There he is, right there. Oh my gosh, my new favorite socks. Oh, you guys, these are nice. They're super thick. These are great. Little jack-o'-lantern socks. Oh yeah, I'm super stoked about these. And the third pair, little ghosties. These are great. Look at that. Creepy Co. plus Beistle. Oh, those are fun. Man, these feel like such good quality socks for sure. All right, you guys, let's check what's next. Looks like we have another shirt. Oh my gosh, I can just see like the beautiful maroon and ivory color and a skeleton. Oh my gosh, is this a die cut skeleton? Oh my gosh, you guys, how fun is this? It is, oh my gosh, right here, you guys. This is a classic Beistle skeleton die cut right here. This is just like the packaging. Oh my gosh, so full-size skeleton, the perfect Halloween decoration. Can be used for hanging wall decoration, skeleton in closet, Halloween Party Footman. Oh my goodness. This is gorgeous, you guys. This is so great. All right, let's go in for something else. Ooh, looks like they, ooh. Looks like they sent an enamel pen. They have beautiful pins on their site, and they have all different kinds. So if you're somebody who likes to wear pins, they have a ton of really cool ones. This is fun because this one looks like it's got little hanging chains. Another skeleton. Ah, he's so cute. You know, you could wear the shirt and wear the pin. That'd be too much? I don't think so. And another shirt. Oh, you guys are spoiling me. I am gonna be dressed to the nines this Halloween season. And I love it because everybody always is going like, oh, where did you get your shirt? Where did you get your shirt? So now I can tell them the creepy coat. What's this one? Oh, wow, check that out. These are amazing. This is such an awesome representation of the Beistle Company with the kind of a new twist to it. This is so great. Look at that. That would be a fun die cut to have. I don't think I have anything like that up here. But something we'll definitely keep an eye out for. Again, the shirt quality, it just seems so nice. It's soft and the printing on it is really nice too. Looks like we have ourselves another pair of fun socks. These ones have little scaredy cats on them. And again, you guys, the packaging is great. Check that out. What a great gift. This would make a good stocking stuffer, right? Oh man, the red on these socks is gorgeous. These are so super fun. This says one size fits most, so this could probably be unisex. Have another pair of socks. Ah, look at the skull. That is so great. Oh my gosh, those are so fun. We've got another pen. Oh, we've got a little pinup girl and a crying cat. I love the vintage pictures of the pinup girls with the big pumpkins and the fences. Those are so classic. I'd always love to recreate something like that using our big pumpkins. Oh my gosh, how fun would that be? I should talk to Christopher about that. Make a calendar? Oh my gosh, the possibilities. Ooh, this one looks fun. Oh, this might be a sweatshirt. This one's heavy duty. What is this one? Yes! Oh my gosh, my new favorite sweater. What does it say? Better luck next time. Oh my gosh, this is so great. I love classic orange and black. I'm gonna have to try some of these on and see how they fit and feel. I love seeing the underside of them. Oh yeah, nice and soft. Again, not too heavy, but just the right amount. Perfect for winter time. Looks like we have one more fun thing. Oh man, to match the socks, check this out. Although it's a different red color, look at, you could have scaredy cat socks. You can have the shirt. Let's see what this is all about. Ooh, you guys, this is a really fun pink color. Wow, look at this. Oh my word, this is great. Oh man, this is so much fun. A little button down. And I'm telling you, the quality of their stuff is really top notch. This is really nice stuff. I like it. It has kind of a satiny feel to it. Let's see what this is made of. This one says 98% cotton and 2% spandex. So that's why it's got kind of a little bit of a stretch feel to it. But I like that a lot. And that color is very fun. You know I'm just bursting at the seams to try some of these on. So I'm gonna put a couple of them on and see how they look. And check out this one. Oh, my Lanta. Wow, this is amazing. It's so vibrant, it's so bright, it's so beautiful. It's so Halloween-y goodness. Remove my sleeves because that's what I do with my t-shirts. You guys don't have to do that, but if you want to be cool like me. Oh my gosh, this is great. So I'm a size small for anyone who's wondering about sizes, and I like it to have a little bit of, you know, it loose, not too tight. But if you're small and you like it tighter, definitely go for an extra small. Or if you want it a little bit even looser, definitely size up a little bit. But this is like perfect fit. Oh, you guys, this is so nice. I love the length of the sleeve. I love the length of the waist. I don't really like it when it comes right to my belly button. Sometimes when I reach up, you know, I don't like exposing myself to people. Some people like that, but I love that this one comes down a little bit more. So, and the graphic on it is really nice. Oh, it's just so warm and toasty. I can't wait for cooler weather so I can wear this. Maybe I can put it on in the morning till it heats up and then put it back on at nighttime. That will be fun. I didn't even know when I was getting ready this morning that my lipstick would match my shirt. This is so much fun, you guys. I love this so much. Oh man, I never thought that I would be wearing a Beistle die cut like packaging shirt. This is amazing. Oh my gosh, my heart is so happy right now. I love it so much. And the sleeves are nice, not loose, not too tight, like just right. The perfect amount right here. Oh my gosh, I love this so much. And I know you guys wanted to see this one, so I put this one on too. This is so much fun. Oh my gosh, my son is gonna love this one. I think this will be his favorite with all the cats on it. He has a thing for cats. So I buttoned it down a little bit, left the last button unbuttoned, did a little tie at the end, got my sleeves rolled. I'm feeling very like 50s, 60s vibe right here. I love it so much. It's so much fun. This is great, and it's got good length on it too, so you could tuck it in as well. It's nice and lightweight. It feels so soft, and I can move in it. Huge thanks to the Creepy Co company for sending me these wonderful things. I will wear them with pride. I will share them with everybody I know. And also, side note, thank you to the Beistle Company for reaching out to them to spoil me yet again. You guys want to know more about the Beistle die cuts? I have a whole video of me unboxing them. I also have a video of me putting this huge collage together. So if you would like to see that, I will put those in the description below. Definitely go check out the Creepy Co. They have a ton of really amazing things. They have apparel, they have pins, they have little blow molds, they have little statues, they have, gosh, rugs. They have amazing rugs. It brings a lot of nostalgia to my heart, and now I will be wearing them out in public, and when people go, "Who made your shirt?" I'm gonna tell them the Creepy Co did. And also, you guys sign up for their email because they will let you know when there's exclusive merchandise. They will also have deals and sales. So it's definitely worth going and checking out. And I'm sure there's something on there that you will find and you will love. Thank you so much for watching, you guys, and we will see you next time.